Hello, today we're replacing the wipers on a Volvo S60. We're using the BOSCH AeroTwin 20-inch and 26-inch wiper. These installs are supposed to be pretty straightforward with the design. It's pretty much push a button, pull it out, replace it with the new blade. So let's give it a try. We're going to tackle the 20-inch side first. Pull the wiper up, the blade, arm, push the button in. Pull out the old blade. Take the new one. Slide it right in, make sure it's locked and secure. And there you go. One side replaced just like that. Alright, tackling the 26-inch side. Again, pull the arm up, push the release button, slide the old blade out, take the new one, make sure it's turned around correctly. Slide it in, make sure it's locked, and it is. And there you have it. It's that simple. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, I'd appreciate the thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching.